guys! Na ako'y i-review na products galing sa Korea from www.roseshop.com. Anyway, I just want to show you the products. Ayan. Ooh, dami diba? Siyempre, we will dili na to na mabalaan until dili na to i-try every day. So, this is my day 1. Try ka lang. Copy that, copy that, copy that. So, the first thing is brightening serum. Then, the aloe soothing serum. Blemish. Anti-wrinkle. The green tea. Tightening. Try na natin. Brightening serum that makes skin vigorous and glossy with ideal amount of natural AHA exfoliating ingredient and vitamin C. The soothing serum that helps recover roughened and sensitive skin contains natural BHA and aloe. Ooh. Excellent for calming skin. You wanna try?
Recycle.
Recycle. Anong kanta yun?
Ko alam na. Pauso lang. Pauso lang ba?
Sarap.
Ano masarap?
Ito sila. Ito daw yung parang pang porcelain skin eh.
Tea Tree Blemish Control Serum, containing natural BHA and tea tree ingredient, arranging sebum control and dead skin cells to prevent skin trouble. Snail Bee Anti-Wrinkle Serum, containing snail slime and propolis extracts to assist anti-aging and wrinkle care.
Ooh, anti-wrinkle. Last na.
Ooh, anti-wrinkle.
Ooh, tightening.
Containing concentrated green tea and natural BHA extracts to remove pore expansion.
Done for day 1. nyo naman na siguro mga 1 week na ako ito gibuhat. And people are asking about my skin, kung ano yung mga gigamit na ako. Gusto lang na ako magpasalamat sa new... How do you pronounce it? NEULII or II. NEULII. I just wanna thank them. Galing pa to sa Korea, guys. So if you want to order it, you can check their website. And makakutis Koreano talaga siya. No joke. May nagadrill pala sa kondo namin sa ilalim. So, sorry kaayo kung saba. Anyway, kailangan ko pa rin kasi mag-shoot. So, sorry. All I can say is, all of their products are good. Malay mo, matanggal yung wrinkles ko eventually if I finish the whole bottle. But, I have to finish the video since it's been a while na. And sana. So, sana lalo pa maging maganda yung skin ko. Gusto nyo mag-try nung skin product, you can check their website. Anyway, salamat kaayo, NEULII, for giving me the chance to try your products. And, yun lang. 감사합니다. 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 안녕하세요. Anyway, salamat kaayo. 감사합니다. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. Please for more tips and para ma-update kayo agad. Sorry, saba jud kaayo karon. Anyway, salamat kaayo, guys. Oh. I-zoom na to ang akong nawong.
Yan yung freckles. Nakikita nyo.
Bye-bye.